Losing fat is easy, but staying lean after is what most people struggle to achieve. So today I will be sharing my 3 personal best diet hacks to get shredded and stay shredded all year round. First, it's going to be counting calories. The basis of your fat loss is calories in versus calories out. So by common sense, if you don't really know how much calories you're taking in, you will never really know if you're losing fat or not. Now, if you're wondering how many calories to eat, the link will be in the description. Just invest in a kitchen weighing scale, bro. Trust me, it goes a very long way. Once you start measuring your food and tracking it in an app, you will automatically cut down ultra processed shit food with high calories and low protein. All you have to count is your calories and protein, and a kitchen weighing scale will help you do that accurately so you can be sure about what you're consuming and easily adjust your diet according to the calories you need to eat. My next hack is going to be pretty straightforward, but simply increasing your protein intake will help you lose a lot of fat. Protein is very satiating, which means it fills your stomach for a long time. Protein also increases your metabolism by building muscle, which is why your body will burn more calories at rest. Plus, protein is also more thermogenic than carbs and fats, which means your body spends more calories to digest protein than it does to digest carbs and fats. Just multiply your body weight in kgs by 2 and that's your daily protein intake. And finally, this one's my favorite one by far, and that's to never follow a diet. This is basically an extension of the first hack. You see, in traditional diets like low carb, keto or paleo diets, there are way too many restrictions on the food you eat, which is why it is not feasible in the long term. If you want to stay shredded, you can't be on a diet forever. It's just not possible to. This is why tracking your food is so important and helpful. You can eat whatever you want, no specific food restrictions. Until and unless you're eating in a deficit and having enough protein, you're good to go. And yes, of course there are gonna be times when you can't track your food, but tracking your food regularly for a long time will give you a good training to estimate the weight and quantity of the food pretty accurately. For example, if you see what 250 grams of pasta looks like for 20 days, you can easily eyeball 250 grams of pasta without a weighing scale on the 21st day. And this is exactly the beauty of this hack. So these were 3 of my personal favorite diet hacks. I hope this information helps, and subscribe for more.